initially, as you check your mirrors, try not to instantly slow. I would help this one. Because if they want to get to that other side, you're giving them a chance to doing it. Yeah? Did he say thanks there?
No.
Does he have to?
No, not really.
So don't get triggered by people not saying thanks. Some people are like that. For me, it makes no difference. I would thank other people if they go out of the way, but I'm not triggered by other people not saying thanks to me. I don't want self-gratification for me doing something nice. It's like when I give bits and bobs to charity, I don't tell everyone. The people who tell everyone just are doing it for that gratification, aren't they? Attention. So don't get triggered by people not saying thanks.
Yeah, I don't think you really have to prove it. You have to do that, to be honest. Not really too forced.
Good. I didn't think you were like that anyway, mate, to be fair. But there's too many people who are like that on the road. Didn't thank me. That's what you should do anyway. You should leave that space clear. Do you know what I mean? Anyway. Good though, mate. Good driving.